Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Learn how to speak Zulu language. Last time we were identifying by names all the external parts of our bodies, from the head to the neck, and from the shoulders to the toe, or you can say from the hair to the neck, and from the shoulders to the toes. All right. So today we are going to divert away from the body parts and go straight to the kitchen. What are we going to do in the kitchen? Let's have a look. This is, by the way, this is our Zulu language, lesson 9. So our topic today is about the kitchen items. Items everyone need in their kitchen, or items that are always found in the kitchen. So, by the way, this is Polyphant Knowledge and Skills. Your host, PH Oliphant. Get ready because we are about to dig deep. This is the all-inclusive kitchen essentials that you may find in most kitchens, rich or poor. This list is perfect for the home cook or for anyone who loves kitchen tools. Izinto ezitholakala ekitchen. Izinto ezitholakala ekitchen. Items found in the kitchen. This is a plate. A plate is called ipuleti. 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 This is a saucer. A saucer is called isoso. 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 This is a cup. A cup is called inkomishi. 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 And this is a spoon. A spoon is called isipuni. 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 A spoon. This is called a fork. A fork is called imfoloko in Zulu. Imfoloko. Imfoloko. This is a knife. A knife is called ummese. 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 This is a strainer. A strainer is called isisefo. Isisefo. This is a jug. A jug is called ujeke. That is in Zulu, right? Ujeke. Ujeke. And this is a sugar basin. A sugar basin is called isitsha sikashukela. Isitsha sikashukela. Isitsha sikashukela. This is a milk jug. A milk jug is called ujeke wobisi. Ujeke wobisi. This is a salt shaker. A salt shaker is called isitsha sikasawoti. Isitsha sikasawoti. Isitsha sikasawoti. Isitsha sikasawoti. You get it right. This is a dishcloth. A dishcloth is called imfaduko. 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 Which will end out sound as imfaduko. Imfaduko. This is a pot. Cooking pot. In Zulu, it is called ibhodwe. 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 This is a frying pan. A frying pan is called ipani. 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 By the way, do not forget to like these videos, to share them, as well as to subscribe, so that you won't lose any new coming video in the future. And good people, I need those likes buttons, I need those subscribe buttons for our channel to keep alive. This is called a kettle. A kettle in Zulu is called iketelo. 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 This is a gas stove. A gas stove. A gas stove is called isitofu segesi. Isitofu segesi. Isitofu segesi. Isitofu segesi. Isitofu segesi. This is an electric stove. An electric stove is called isitofu sikagesi. Isitofu sikagesi. Isitofu sikagesi. This is a fridge. A fridge is called ifiliji. 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 This is a tap. A tap is called umpompi wasekishini, because it is inside the kitchen. Umpompi wasekishini. As you see, the pointer pointing there, the arrow pointing there is pointing to a umpompi wasekishini. That is a kitchen tap. This is a kitchen sink. A kitchen sink in isiZulu is called usinki wasekishini. Usinki wasekishini. Usinki wasekishini. Kishini. Usinki wasekishini. That's good. That's good. That is very, very good. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please do not forget to do what I used to say. Do not forget to keep on practicing until you get it right. The only way to success is to give yourself sufficient time to train. Dedicate some couple of minutes in a day to revise. If you can be able to form smaller groups, you are allowed to do so, just to get practice, so that you have time to practice together, and that will help you to improve a lot. So that will give you a rapid good result. What I'm trying to say, you can form those smaller groups, not necessarily by doing gatherings, but you can even meet on Skype, Zoom, WhatsApp, any kind of social, what you call media, that you can use in order to get that practice. Because something that you don't practice, you don't win it. So do not forget, guys, to push those likes buttons, share, subscribe, so that you do not miss the next video. Those subscribes will help us as well for our channel to be up and running. So if you keep on pressing those buttons, then that will help our group a lot. So we are a growing group. That is good. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful lesson provided by PH Oliphant Knowledge and Skills. Thank you very much, guys. See you on the next video. Do not miss out.